Hello friend, I am Isam Khmiri and I share with you in this channel my journey in what I'm learning in English. And today I share with you what I learn in simple present form. Okay, we have three sections: positive, negative, question. Let's begin with positive. We form like this: subject plus verb. Let's take examples. I work. You work. We work. They work. Okay? Here, I is the subject, work is the verb. You is the subject, work is the verb, and the same in the next sentences. But we have some change in pronoun he, she, it. We form like this: subject plus verb plus s. He works. She works. It works. Okay. Here, he is the subject. Work is the verb. S, this S. Here, she is the subject. Work is the verb, and add S. And the same with it. Okay, let's move to negative form. We form like this: subject plus do plus not plus verb. Let's take some examples. I do not work. You do not work. We do not work. And they do not work. I is the subject. Do not is the negative form and verb. You is the subject. Do not is the form of negative and work. And the same in the next sentences. And the same of positive, we have some change with he, she, it. We form like this: subject plus, instead we say do, here we say does. Okay, plus not plus verb. Some examples: he does not work. She does not work. It does not work. He is the subject. Does not is the form of negative. Work is the verb. And the same in the next sentences. In the negative form, we have short form of these rules. Let's take this form. Okay. In the first rule we form like this in the short form: subject plus don't plus verb. And here we form like this: subject plus doesn't plus verb. Okay, some example here: I don't work. And the same with you and we and they. Here he doesn't work. He is the subject, doesn't is the short form of does not, plus the verb is work. Okay, let's move to the next section, the question form. We form like this: do plus subject plus verb. Let's take examples. Do I work? Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? Okay? With he, she, it, we form like this: does plus subject plus verb. Does he work? Okay, the same with she, with it. Here we have do, I is the subject and work is the verb. Here do with you is the subject, you is the subject and work is the verb. And the same in the next sentences here. Does with she, he, it, we have does, he is the subject and work is the verb. I hope you learned something in this video, and see you in the next video.